Se oba fefra eya aduane obedi akoni mu no eho hia yie pa anhwe yie na ukodidi ne wandidi yie a ede ohaw eba wo ena no ene abofra o hye yafunum no eso ne saso ntie na ewo fonton from Jumedie so Dr. Israel a odini juma ewo Kantanga Pharmaceuticals ebetena se ene wa church enuane ahodo a se oba penfo di a ebeboa no
to obo ha onye exposed to toxins bia baba wa akra no ni na aduane na depend di no because ordinary be ebe hihye bibi ho so kwa fa we na fa we na okofa we ofa vitamins we ni ade so udidi ya all the vitamins akra ni here proteins akra ni here aduane nu dada
okay
it is udi the food kwan ne breso na akra no benyini woti manya de also wonya e woni pa duane ansa na de awon devoid of certain disease sometimes the disease ni ma we childbirth no but akra no benyini the sense was set the foundation or program yare ndada the say make no say onyem no one hwe na sugar kwosoro you are programming the child epigenetic programming no say akra no obenyini ebi kwa betima ahase build insulin resistance no body nim answer the dia wo no na oba be type 1 diabetes oba be type 1 diabetic and I say asset foundation ama no akra as onyin kakra no na onya diabetes sanso ena onyem na obp wan hwe na obp so kosoro etima affect akra no e woni ma bibire so ne de kwan so bitima affect the brain formation and then some the body part formation na so for it eduane hu rest even though it is recommended say Obaahemaa cross or body activities kakra because also okoba no active say akra so be active for the peduanum so what you say but enye say yekotam stress e dey aso oba no ko mani bi wo emotional problems mani bi wonyem na go through a lot today ka say pregnancy before so be wabi so be nyem no you say we are prepared you want it today say be be unwanted pregnancy then yin say bi aba who said in here na so we ani mu so pesa wonyem e na abati ba sare da adwendwen bu
surprise baby
or tempted to say oba abot so dey edobi ka na anyi na kofa the moment we wabi so be nyem na time why wabi say obodi no wadwen BBI ready say a person the receive
one. No cry first step. Yes. Answer na obenyem na so make sure say
prepare oni peduane say me person menyem. Answer na what receive akra no. And no be boa because I don't here and abaju ahwe ne dey e wo soro. You are making sure say education won say eduane obedi very careful. And you say odi sugar rich food bebre, highly processed food no, ultra processed food no. So we make sure say odi more naturals, odi fiber based foods. Are rich in vitamins and proteins and all these here many peduano etimi azobo akra etimi azobo di nyine no because why do you what conscientizing on that no nkasa chemicals they are already so Obaahemaa no nya emotional problems are and also come set the foundation
emotional problems
yes so Bible how when abuse etimi bono etete no sika ko beto de ko nya just ko fight or the nya fun ko struggle o krom nya de oba no bread the stress the thinking no pushing into a certain corner more produce certain chemicals and also program epigenetic programming no the akra no oba no akra be bananga naturally or problem with emotions akra be wasi na ni wonte akra bia wo muna akra be dia de bia why uhuna utimi akra we na nkasa no ni growth no very poor